how to edit photos with Snapseed on your Android phone. It's very simple, and these stuffs are done in a simple shot of time, like in a little time. So you click on, first you have to get the Snapseed app. When you get the Snapseed app, you click on it and you select your picture. Look for a good picture. Here I've selected this, so now I want to edit it. I'll check for my preferred look, the one I like, and I go for this one. I'll send to it, and I'll wait for it. Yeah, it's now in send to it mode. Then I'll use my tools. Here you have a whole lot of tools to make use of. If you want to keep the white balance very well, see, it's very good now. The temperature, everything is at 0, so it's well balanced. Then which other tools do I want? I want to crop it. Go with the crop. It's easy to use. Crop my picture. And it's fine. So I want to make a little touches to the little. I want to give it exposure. Exposure I want to give it is within the first. But let me see. I want to circle a particular place. I want to give it exposure here. Prefer to give it exposure within the whole body. So the exposure is done. Then I click on yes. See, it's beautiful now, like very beautiful. Then if you're a guy and you want to add all these stuff, you want to make it look somewhat awesome, you can try to do some of these stuffs. This Snapseed gives you a lot of options. Anyone you want to change it into, depending on what you want. So, and look for another tools. Portrait, you can also put a portrait, depending on the one you love. Love my stuff. I'm good with it. You want a vignette? No. You want a frame? There are a whole lot of frames you can get here. A lot of these beautiful ones. So let me go with this. At the end you have your fine and classical beautiful picture. So you might want to do other stuffs. Yeah, you might want to do them, like nose pulls, getting the nose at the right point. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, shooting the nose. See the difference? So now I have it at the right point I want. Or if I don't like it, I'm on the side, just cancel it out. But I love it this way. So I'm going with it. Or I'm starting to remove it to anyone you want. So at the end of this, I'm good with this picture like this. So I need to export it. So I'll save it. It's a copy of my picture. Or do I want to export it? So at the end of the day, you have your fine picture. I export it. And we are done. Thanks for watching.